If you want to change the phone number on your Epic Games account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you got a new number, lost access to your old one, or just want to update your account details, this guide will help you get it done quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then sign in with the account you want to update. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to your display name in the top right corner and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your personal information and security options. On the left-hand menu, click Password and Security. This is the section where Epic Games keeps your login and verification settings, including your phone number for SMS codes. Now scroll down until you find the SMS code section. This is the part of the account that controls text message verification, and it's where you'll be able to enter or update your phone number. Once you find it, click Setup. Epic Games will then ask you to type in your phone number. Make sure you enter the correct number, including the right country code if needed, so the verification message can be sent successfully. After you type the number, continue through the prompts and follow any on-screen verification steps. If Epic Games sends a code to your phone, enter it exactly as shown to confirm the change. After that, your number should be updated on the account. And that's it. You've now changed the phone number in Epic Games. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, but it's an important update if you want to keep your account secure and make sure you can receive verification codes when you need them. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.